today we'll talk about how can you select web direction on your CallApp. We're going to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do now, just go here above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this here. You click here, color ID, just click on it. You come to next step here, then all you have to do now. So you just go down here, come here to swipe direction, just click on it. And here can you select how do you answer your calls here in this list. If you want like this or like this here or like this or like this, then you click on play. Here can you select it. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.